Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 7 of the biggest hair color trends that we will be seeing in 2023. So here we have someone with blonde hair, she has decided to try out one of this season's biggest hair color trends, and that is orange. So there is the before, and there is a glance at the after. I think that this color looks absolutely amazing. As you guys know, as a whole, red and copper tones are going to be huge for 2023, and orange is right up there with what is trending. So the stylist did add some extensions for some length as well. Gorgeous hair color. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see another major hair transformation. So the stylist did take the client darker. And then he is going back in to reveal her new hair shade. Beautiful ash blonde silver colored hair. So it looks like the next hair color might include a split dye hair transformation. Beautiful blonde on the one side. Gorgeous. And then we have some couture highlights for the next hair coloring. And then we have someone else ready to try out that beautiful copper-based hair. Wow, absolutely beautiful. So it's kind of like an ombre variation of that particular trend. So there is the before and there is the after. I think that the stylist needs to cut the ends a little bit because her hair does look a little damaged towards the ends, but I think that the color looks beautiful. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.